Hey everybody, Jason Venata here at Venata Fabrication. With this video, I'm going to talk to you all about the Easy Clip Hose Kit. It's a supplementation for the lines that come with the Vintage Air for C10, square bodies, Camaros. It actually works in a lot of different vehicles. It's fairly universal. So the first reason I came out with it was for show vehicles. We don't want to see the lines in the engine bay. So if you run it just like Vintage Air wants you to, this is where the hard lines are going to make the lines come out, right in your engine bay. The hard lines are also going to make you put your dryer right there. So if you want to clean things up, that's what the Easy Clip Hose Kit's for. It routes everything through the kick panel vent hole, through a plate we provide you, goes to the fender, runs up here, then comes out here, and then goes back to normal. But I have a supercharger on here with an intercooler, so my dryer can't be right here anymore, and that's where Vintage Air has it mount with hard lines. Well, with our Easy Clip Hose Kit, you can put it wherever you want. So my dryer is now right here on the back side of the core support behind the headlight. Then on my Camaro, same thing. I don't have an intercooler, but since I have a LT4 and it's got a water cooling system just for the supercharger, I have to have this heat exchanger. And I cannot have the dryer there. There's no room for it. So I did the same thing I did in my C10. I used our Easy Clip Hose Kit, mounted it in the same spot, so it's behind the core support, kind of behind the headlight. So this is the Easy Clip Hose Kit. The heater hoses are normal, but Easy Clip lines are different. They're smaller, a little more pliable, easier to work with. And Vintage Air, like this had Gen 4 in it. I took it out, put it in Gen 5, and that moved all the air lines from here over to here. Their new setup does exactly what our Easy Clip Hose Kit does as far as moving everything. So if you're ordering Vintage Air from us, you could just order it. Well, if you get the Easy Clip kit, we offer it as an option with the Vintage Air. We just will take the regular hoses out of the kit. So all this up here, kind of a mess, but anyway, this is all Vintage Air for 67 and 69 Camaros, C10s. There's an Easy Clip Hose Kit going out tomorrow for a C10. This is all Vintage Air back here for square bodies. This is a Easy Clip Hose Kit for a 69 Camaro. That's going out tomorrow. Anyway, that's pretty much everything. It does come with instructions, and if you need any help with anything, always just call me or PM me. I'll put all the information in this post. Thanks for watching. Bye.